To find pre-made animated scenes or thousands of elements, go to the Templates tab. Use the filters to narrow results by category, file type, resolution, and free or premium content. Keep in mind, these templates are not pre-installed, so they won't take up space on your machine. When you find something you like, preview it and import it directly into your project. Then customize it as needed. You can also browse and import sound effects to enhance your scenes. All imported assets are organized inside the Xmotion folder. It's also worth checking if a template includes additional scenes you can use.